Is the screen completely visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. And is there any difference if we are getting some kind of a another frame? I have switched on to a new version. That's why the problem is there. Anyway,
Now
uh,
it's clear.
okay. Anyway, we will start with the new concept. Okay, so today we are going to take two lectures. I will conduct two lectures, and this we will complete this concept of signal flow graph and the Mason's gain formula also. Okay, so but before that, we are going to complete the remaining portion of your block diagram reduction also. So for finding out transfer function, how many methods were there? Okay, transfer function find out करवानी method कितनी હતી कि we have gone through the first method of finding out the transfer function like this. Okay, so first we have gone through the concept of this. If there is a circuit is given, okay, then we are applying this KVL, KCL, mesh analysis, okay, and whatever the concept you have studied in your circuit theory, that you are going to apply, and finally we are finding out the transfer function. The method number 2 was related to block diagram reduction. If you are having a block and block represent the gain of that particular system parameter, so we can find out the transfer function by converting this particular block diagram into its equivalent one block diagram which consists of only transfer function. Okay, method number 3 is related to signal flow graph. Okay, method number 3 is related to signal flow graph. Okay, so in this method, if the presentation in terms of a graph, then we can go for this approach. Okay, again we are finding out the transfer function with the help of Mason's gain formula. Oh, Mason's gain formula. Okay, so you have to learn it today. Okay, but before that, there is a small portion of amount that like BDR, that is block diagram reduction technique. Suppose the circuit is given to you and we want to construct a block diagram of that circuit. How we can do this? We will learn it today. Okay, so we will find out the transfer function of the circuit with the help of block diagram reduction method. Okay, so suppose the circuit is given over here. Circuit is looking like this. We are having a simple circuit in which there are only the resistors are there. Okay, so we'll be having a VI of T, R1, R2, okay, and R3, and R4. This is nothing but the output of T. Okay, so we are having this circuit. Now what I want to do, I want to create a block diagram for this circuit. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we need to find out the intermediate terms. Okay, how we can do this? Suppose there is a mesh number 1, mesh number 2, I1 current is flowing in this mesh, I2 is current is flowing in this mesh, and we are getting the voltage output over here, that is nothing but Vx. Let us say this is nothing but your Vx. Okay, I will write KVL equation. I will apply KVL in mesh number 1. Okay, so if I'm applying KVL over here, okay, so we will be writing equation in a time domain only. So KVL, if I'm applying, it will be VI is equal to R1 into I1 plus R2 I1 minus I2. Okay, so it will be R1 plus I1 plus R2 I1 minus R2 into I2. So it will be like R1 plus R2 into I1 minus R2 into I2. That is VI. Okay. I will make the subject I1 now. From this equation, I will make the subject I1. So I1 is equal to what? VI. Okay, I1 is equal to, so let us say, put this value I1 into bracket R1 plus R2 is equal to VI plus I2 into R2. So I1 is equal to Vi into bracket 1 upon R1 plus R2, okay, plus I2 into bracket R2 upon R1 plus R2. This will be equation number, let us say 1. Okay, now I am applying KVL in second mesh. Okay, KVL in second mesh, I am applying it over here. So my equation will be
फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में माइनस I2 R2 है ना
minus I2 R2 क्या
ना ना
हाँ
है ना सर થઈ ગયું
okay minus અહીંયા હતું but left hand side ગયો તો it is becoming plus. Okay, now I am writing equation for mesh number 2. So it will be 0 is equal to, I am writing directly now, it will be R2 plus R3 plus R4 into bracket I2, okay, minus I1 into R2. Okay, I am opening the bracket. Okay, it will be no, I will not be opening the bracket because the I2 is already common. So I will make the subject I2 now. I1 into R2 is equal to R2 plus R3 plus R4 into bracket I2. I will make the subject I2 over here. So I2 is equal to what? I1 into bracket R2 upon R2 plus R3 plus R4. This will be equation number. Okay, now what is V output? What is V output? V output no equation શું થશે? V output is nothing but the voltage across R4. V output is equal to potential difference at R4. કેટલા થશે?
I2
I2. So equation for V output is equal to I2 into R4. This is equation number 3. Okay, now I am taking this equation. Okay, I am taking this equation. I1 we are getting by multiplying Vi with 1 upon R1 plus R2 plus I2 into R2 plus R1 into R2. Why I have taken this separate term? આ જે R1 R2 અને આ બાજુ જે બધી છે આ ઇક્વેશનમાં અને આગળના ઇક્વેશનમાં મેં સેપરેટ લખી છે કેમ? Because these are the system parameters. આ બધા છે either they are input or the intermediate terms which are coming in our circuit. Okay, so if I want to block diagram draw કરવો હોય મારે તો પહેલા શું આવશે left hand side? Vi. Okay, so let's say I'm putting Vi. Vi is multiplied by
R1 plus R2.
So there will be a one block કે જેનો gain શું હશે? R1 plus R2. What is the sign over here?
Plus.
Okay, plus. Block diagram માં plus કરવું હોય તો શું use કરવાનું?
Parallel connection.
Parallel connection, or you can say summing point. Okay, a plus થઈ ગયું. This term is complete. આવી ગઈ આ બાજુ. હવે એક બીજી ટર્મ આવશે કે જે બી પ્લસ થશે. Okay, but it should be having R2 upon R1 plus R2 gain R2 upon R1 plus R2 એ જે ક્યાંથી આવવી જોઈએ? કોની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય છે?
I2.
જેવી રીતે અહીંયા Vi મલ્ટીપ્લાય થઈને અહીંયા આવ્યો અહીંયાથી I2. So the equation number 1 block diagram is complete. Are you getting me? First equation is this, first part is this. Vi is getting multiplied by 1 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, that is a positive. That means your summing point is having this term. So there will be a I2 which is coming from somewhere. અત્યારે એવું ધારી લઈએ કે કંઈથી આવે છે. I2 is coming and it is going to multiply it by R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, whatever the answer we are getting, it is nothing but I1. આ કોનો આન્સર આવ્યો? અહીંયાથી જે પ્લસ થયો, શું આન્સર આવ્યો? I1. So this is the block diagram for equation number 1. Similarly, I will draw the block diagram for equation number 2. I2 is equal to I1 into R2 plus R2 upon R2 plus R4 plus R3 plus R4. Okay, I2 we are getting from I1. So suppose અહીંયાથી I1 signal આવે છે, that should be multiplied with
R2 by R3 plus R3 plus
R2
R.
by R2 plus R3 plus R4.
what result we are getting if I am multiplying this to
I2.
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 so this is the block diagram for equation number 2.
Equation 2.
Okay, I will draw the block diagram of equation number 3. What is equation number 3? V output is equal to I2 into R4. What is input? I2. It should be multiplied with
R4.
R4.
what is the result we are getting?
V0.
V0.
Okay, so what I will do, I have made the equation and we have made the block diagram of each and every equation. I will combine them. Okay, because first block diagram, in our first block diagram left hand side was there. Okay, last block diagram right hand side was there. Okay, તો આ બધાને હું combine કરું તો મને final એક block diagram મળશે. Okay, how we can do this? First say this, I'm drawing it over here. So Vi, it should be multiplied by R1 plus R2. Okay, and there is a one summing point or the error detector. This sign is plus, this sign is plus. It should be multiplied by R2 upon R1 plus R2. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer we are getting? I1. થઈ ગયો. આ સિગ્નલ ક્યાં જોડવું પડશે મારે? I2 માં. Now I will be coming over here. What is I1 is available over here? It should be multiplied with R2. So what I will do? I1 અહીં આવી ગયો. I will multiply it with R2 upon R2 plus R3 plus R4.
R4.
What is the output we are getting?
I2.
Okay, I2 equation number 3 or the block diagram number 3, I2 I give, it should be multiplied by
R4.
what is the answer we are getting?
V0.
Okay, see over here in your equation number 1, this signal should be connected with R2 by R1 plus R2 should be connected with I2. I2 क्या आवे छे?
R2 R3 by block बच्चे थे.
So I will connect like this. What we have done is we have created individual block diagrams of each and every equation and then we have combined them. તમને directly one by one answer મળતા જ જશે. But what you have to consider, you have to separate the terms. Which terms you have to separate? The system parameters કે જે તમારા સર્કિટના પેરામીટર આવતા હશે એને અલગ રાખવાના અને અમુક જે ઇનપુટ આઉટપુટ and the intermediate terms. Input output is nothing but VIT and V output T, and the intermediate terms are nothing but the current. Okay, I1 I2 and Vx એને વચ્ચે આ બાજુ રાખી દેવાનું. Okay, so once we have got this block diagram, I can find out the transfer function also. What will be my steps? First step will be, if I want to find out transfer function, first step will be
Eliminating minor feedback loop.
okay, eliminating minor feedback loop. Then the answer ave should be in
Series blocks in series.
With R4.
R4. Whatever the answer is coming, it should be in series with
1 by R1 plus R2 plus whatever the answer and R4. The three blocks are in series.
Okay, so you will get the transfer function. So you can find out the transfer function with the help of block diagram if the circuit is also given. પહેલા પાર્ટમાં શું કર્યું હતું? Circuit given is there is a circuit given, you can write the equation, you can find out the transfer function. If you don't like that particular method, you can create the equation. From this equation you can create the block diagram, and from block diagram you can find out the transfer function. I hope this is clear. There are several examples in your tutorial for this concept, so you will have a good exercise. Okay, another concept is signal flow graph. Okay, so we'll start it by today only. So this is your signal flow graph representation. Signal flow graph representation. Okay, but before understanding signal flow graph terminology, we will use one particular we will use one particular signal flow graph to understand its terminology. Okay, I think it is visible to everyone. I think બધાને visible છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm starting from here. Sorry, it is mistake. Sometimes what will happen, it might happen that you will not be having circuit, you will not be having your block diagram, but your system is represented in this manner. Okay, so your input is nothing but your x0 or the whatever the input we are getting, we output and we input over here. So we will not mention the input over here, we will make the terminology like nodes. Okay, nodes and the flow of the flow of your gain. Okay, so these nodes are nothing but this x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. Okay, between these two nodes we are having gain. Okay, so previously the gain was given as a part of your block. Over here અહીંયા એક તમારો એરો હશે અને એરો ની આગળ લખેલું હશે gain. So that means the gain is going in this path. આ forward path થયો. Okay, the gain between x1 and x2 node is nothing but t12. Okay, the gain between this is t23, t34, t45. Okay, over here only one gain, that is a unity gain. This path t24, this path t13, and this path is nothing but your t35. Okay, so there are some terminology. Okay, the terminology I'm just writing it over here. You just need, I will either provide a document of the definition, or you just need to find out by yourself for the exact definition of each and every thing. Okay, so first one is your source node. First definition is the thing what the source node. Okay, so what is source node? The source node is having only incoming branch. Okay, source node એક એવું node છે કે which is having only incoming branch from this particular signal flow graph. Which one is source node કે જેની પાસે incoming branch છે? Sorry, not incoming, outgoing. Source node is having only outgoing branch. Okay, source node is having only outgoing branch. આ signal flow graph માં only outgoing branch કઈ છે? કયા node જોડે છે?
x0.
So in this we are having a x0 is nothing but your source node. Second definition is sink node. The node which is having only incoming branch. So which node is having only incoming branch? Incoming branch. Only that means એની પાસે એક જ હોવી જોઈએ ને બી incoming જ હોવી જોઈએ. Which one?
x1.
6. x1 જોડે તો બે બી છે, incoming બી છે અને outgoing બી છે. So only x6 is having only incoming branch. Third one is chain node. Chain node having incoming as well as outgoing both. Chain node having incoming and outgoing both the branch.
x3.
એક જ આવશે. એવા કયા નોડ છે? x2 x1 is having this incoming outgoing as well. x2 incoming outgoing x3 incoming outgoing x4 incoming outgoing x5 incoming outgoing. You will be having how many branches? How many nodes? x1 x2 x3 x4 and x5. This is nothing but the chain node. Okay, another important definition is forward path. Okay, so forward path definition is forward path is what? As I have said, this path is forward path. That means the path which is leading from input to output is known as a forward path. Simple definition is this only. The path from the input to output node is known as a forward path. Okay, so it is your input and it is your output node and output node. Okay, so how many forward paths are there? Input થી output તરફ જવાના રસ્તા કેટલા છે? I am just saying the name of the node from x0 x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6. Is it a forward path? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What you have to take care? You have to take care the direction of the flow of gain. Okay, એક જ direction માં હોવો જોઈએ. Okay, forward path number 1. Okay, forward path number 1. I am writing over here. Forward path number 1 from x0 x1 x2 x3 x0 x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 and x6. Okay, forward path number 2. Can I go like this? x0 x1 x2 x4 x5 x6. Can I go like this?
Yes.
So it will be x0, x1, x2, x4, x5, x6. Third forward path, x0, x1, x3, x5, x6. Forward path number 3. Okay, it will be x0, x1,
So for the sorry, but
x3, x4, sorry, x0, x1, x0, x1, x3, x5, x6. Forward path number 4. Can I go like this? x0, x1, x3, x4, x5, x6. Can I go like this?
yes,
Yes.
sir.
x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, sorry, x0, x1, x2 no,
X2
x3, x4, x5 and x6. Forward path number 5. Can I go like this? x0, x1, x2, x3, x5, x6. x0, x1, x2, x3, x5, x6. Okay? Is it okay? Is there any other forward path left? This will not be valid. x0, x1, x2, x3, x3, x4, x5, x6. Why it is not valid? We are crossing this node twice. x0, x1, x2, x3, x3, x4, x5, x6. It is not valid. Why? Because we are crossing this node twice. Okay? Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how many forward paths are there? Forward path number 1, forward path number 2, forward path number 3, forward path number 4, forward path number 5. Okay. Now if I am changing the direction over here, આ જે છે એને ચેન્જ કરીને હું આમ કરી નાખું છું. Previously it was going from left to right, now it is going from right to left. What will be the change in my forward path? કેટલા forward path આવશે હવે?
4.
4. Which one is not valid now?
4.
Forward path number?
Forward path 2.
It is not valid. In this case, it is not valid. Then it is the forward path. First is your forward path. Now, next definition is forward path gain. Forward path gain. So I am writing it over here. Forward path gain. Okay, so the definition is forward path gain. So forward path gain definition is the path gain product of gain of each forward path is called as a forward path gain. I am taking first forward path. So your first forward path is this. એની અંદર જેટલા ગેઇન આવતા હોય એની પ્રોડક્ટને શું કહેવાય? ફોરવર્ડ પાથ ગેઇન. The gain product of each and every gain which is coming on that forward path, it is nothing but forward path gain. Okay, so કરવાનું? First છે આમાં. Okay, so this will be your path gain product is nothing but your 1 into T12 into T23, T34, T45 and 1. So forward path gain product I am naming as T1 is equal to 1 into T12 into T13 into T34 into T45 into 1. What we have done? Just multiplied all this. Okay. Similarly, what will be the forward path gain for T3? T2 આપણે નથી લેતા કારણ કે આમાં ડિરેક્શન બદલી નાખી છે. ફોરવર્ડ પાથ ગેઇન T3. ફોરવર્ડ પાથ ગેઇન T3. T3 શું હતું? x0 x1 x3 પછી x5 x6. It was like this. x0 x1 x3 x5 x6. What will be the forward path gain?
1 into 1 into T5 into 1.
1 into T13 into T35 into 1. I am taking now forward path number 4. Forward path number 4 is what? x0 x1 x3 x4 x5 x6. x0 x1 x3 x4 x5 x6. What will be the forward path gain from this? Can anybody tell me?
1 into 1 into T13 into T34 into T45 into 1.
Yes, very good. So T4 is equal to 1 into T13 into T34 into T45 into 1. I am taking forward path number 5. Forward path number 5, it is x0 into x1 x2 x3 and x5, okay, and x6. So it is like this: x0 x1 x2 x3 x5 x6. What will be the gain product?
1 into T12 into T32 into T35 into 1.
T345 or say T35. Okay, very good.
T35
1 into T12 into T23 into T35 into 1. Okay, so these are the forward path gain. Okay, forward path and forward path gain. Okay, I am drawing it. Forward path number 1 ખાલી just information માટે x0 x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6. Okay, it will be 1 T12 T23 T34 T45 sorry 1. This is your forward path number 1. Forward path number 2 we have not used. Okay, so it will be like this: x0 x1, okay, x1 पे क्या दिए थे, x3 and like this x5 and x6. It will be 1 T13 T35 and 1. T4 will be this x0 x1 x3 x4 x5 and x6. Okay, 1 T13 T34 T45 and T1. T5, okay, so it will be T5. I'm drawing it for you over here. It will be like this: x0 x1 x2 x3 x4 5 6 1 T35 1 T12 T23. It is T4. Okay, so these are the forward path. Okay, this is the forward path. Next is feedback loop. Next definition is feedback loop. Okay, feedback loop. Okay, this is the very important definition because you need to find out from the graph itself. Okay, so I am writing it over here. Okay, a path which originates from particular node and terminates at the same node traveling through at least one other node without touching any node twice. Okay, a path which originates from particular node and terminates at the same node, traveling through at least one another node without touching any node twice. One by one we will take. There is a path, okay, which originates at one particular node and ends at one node. Okay, traveling through at least one another node. Okay, origination નો એક નોડ હશે, સેમ નોડ ઉપર ટર્મિનેટ બી થશે, but it should be traveling through at least one. That means possible is कि એક તો હોવો જ જોઈએ, એક કરતા વધારે હશે તો ચાલશે, but without touching any node twice. એક નોડ ને બે વાર ટચ ના થવો જોઈએ. Okay, so which are the feedback loop? અહીંયાથી feedback loop કઈ હશે? Okay, આ example પછી લઈએ. I will be saying or I will be drawing one another block diagram, or sorry, signal flow graph over here. Okay, so it will be like this. Sorry, so that is will be okay. So path which is starting from one particular node. અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થયો, આની ડિરેક્શન ક્યાં છે? આમ છે. અહીંયાથી આની ડિરેક્શન શું છે? અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થયું, એન્ડ ક્યાં થયું? Done. It is called as a self loop. At least it should pass from one another node. એટલે અહીંયાથી થયું. Okay, are you getting my point or not? चलो आ जवा दो.
Yes, sir.
I will be coming back over here. A path which originates from some point. અહીંયાથી path suppose start થયો, અહીંયાથી આમ ગયો. Okay, અહીંયાથી આમ ગયો, અહીંયાથી એ પાછો આવ્યો, પાછો આવી ગયો. A path which originates from x2 coming back or the terminate at x2. Okay, but it should pass at least one another node. x2 સિવાયનો another node. x3 માંથી પાસ થાય છે, x4 માંથી પાસ થાય છે. at least કીધું છે બે થાય છે, it's okay. એક કરતા વધારે થવો જોઈએ, એક અથવા એક કરતા વધારે. Done. Without touching any node twice. અહીંયાથી અહીંયા જાય છે તો એ બીજી વાર ટચ થયો કોઈ બી વધારાના નોડને? થયો કે નહીં? I am very surprised. આનાથી સિમ્પલ તો કંઈ નથી, આખા એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં નથી.
Yes, yes.
Roll number 2, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the means what is the difficulty over here?
No.
So why you are not answering? Have I asked the question? Are you insulting me?
No, sir.
Rule number 10, are you here or not? Okay, rule number 10 is absent. Okay, I am removing him from this meeting and marking him as absent. Rule number 1, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you answered my question or not?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Rule number 2, are you here? Okay, rule number 4, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not answering still. Okay, so I'm marking you all as a rule number 6. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 8.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 17.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
rule number 15.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 20.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 22.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 31.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 32.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 19.
Yes, sir.
Okay. તમે બધા જુઓ છો, તમને ખબર નથી પડતી કે તમે આન્સર હાથે કરીને નથી આપતા કે થોડોક ટાઈમ વેસ્ટ થાય. જો આનાથી સિમ્પલ છે ને આખા એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં કંઈ નથી. આ એન્જિનિયરિંગ છે બી નહીં ઇનફેક્ટ. ઓકે, તમે કોમર્સના છોકરાને કે ચોથા ધોરણના છોકરાને બી ભણાવો ને તો બી આવડે. ઓકે, વોટ આઈ એમ ટેલિંગ રિપીટિંગ, તમને ડેફિનેશન લખાવી દીધી છતાં બી રિપીટ બી કરાવી અને અહીંયા મેં ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછ્યું. there is not a single answer. which one is feedback loop? raise your hand. final ખબર હોય તો which one is feedback loop? ના ખબર પડતી હોય તો મને પૂછો. હું 2 વાર ભણાવું છું પણ મને કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે તમને નથી ખબર પડતી? which one is feedback loop over here? આ સિગ્નલ ફ્લો ગ્રાફમાં ફીડબેક લૂપ કઈ છે? still no answer. what is the definition of feedback loop? rule number 2.
કોઈ એક નોડ કે પોઈન્ટમાંથી નીકળી બીજા એક નોડ બીજા મિનિમમ એક નોડમાંથી પાસ થાય ફરી એ જ નોડમાં પાછું આવે.
Okay, rule number 4, what is the definition?
Sir, a path which originates from any particular node and terminates at the same node, but traveling through at least one other node and without traveling any node twice.
So will you apply it over here or not? અને apply કરી શકો આ જે definition બોલે x2 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરો. અહીંયાથી ડ્રો કરીને બી આ લાઈનો ડાર્ક થઈ ગઈ છતાં બી તમને નથી આવડતું. આ ડાર્ક થઈ ગઈ લાઈનો બધી મારી જુઓ આ x2 x3 ને આ બધું આમ કરીને. so it will be looking like this. okay, x2 x3 x4. okay, t23 t4 t34 and t2. okay, so this is your feedback loop. okay, next definition is self loop. okay, definition of self loop I will be saying it again only one time. okay, the feedback loop consists of only one node is called as a self loop. the feedback loop which consists only one node, okay, it is called as a self loop. એવી feedback loop કે જે એક જ નોડ ની હોય એને શું કહેવાય? self loop. okay, so over here it is nothing but your self loop. okay, this one is your self loop. એક જ નોડ છે કે જેમાંથી પાછું એ ઓરિજિન પોઈન્ટ ને આ પોઈન્ટ બી આ છે એ એને શું કહેવાય? self loop કહેવાય. okay, so over here your self loop is this. the self loop is t33. okay, next definition is non touching loop. તમને ના ખબર પડે ખાલી કહી દેજો તો હું રિપીટ કરાવું કે ના કરાવું. I don't know, otherwise I can okay, how many of you are interested in pre-recorded lecture? પહેલા બધાની હેન્ડ ડાઉન કરી દો બધા પહેલા. How many of you are interested in pre-recorded lecture? પહેલાથી હું રેકોર્ડ કરીને તમને આપી દઉં, તમારી મરજી મુજબ જોઈ લેવાના, આપણે ટાઈમ ટેબલ ફોલો નહીં કરવાનું. છે એવું કોઈ? રોલ નંબર 6, રોલ નંબર 2, 20 and 17. I think they are interested in this. They have raised their hand.
No, sir. I raised down.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Roll number
No,
2
sir.
is interested. No, nobody is interested. Okay, so why you are not interested in this pre-recorded videos? Can you tell me? આ કેમ ગમે છે તમને, અથવા તો આ કેમ પ્રેફરેબલ છે?
કારણ કે જોડે જોડે હું ભણાવો તો ખબર ભાઈ ફ્રી લેક્ચરમાં તો
ડાઉટ
કોણ
ક્લિયર થતા રહે.
હા, પણ ડાઉટ ક્યારે ક્લિયર થાય? તમે પૂછો ત્યારે, અથવા તો તમે આન્સર આપો ત્યારે. અધરવાઇઝ હું તો એમ જ સમજુ ને કે તમને બધું આવડે જ છે. જો આ થિયરી ક્લાસ નથી, પહેલા તો એવી વસ્તુ કહું કે આ થિયરી ક્લાસ નથી કે જેમાં હું બોલે રાખું રેગ્યુલર લેક્ચરમાં બી, કે રેગ્યુલર લેક્ચરમાં હું થિયરી ક્લાસ લેતો હોઉં તો રેગ્યુલરલી બોલે રાખું અને તમારે ખાલી સાંભળવાનું છે. તો સેમ પ્રોસિજર ઓનલાઈન લેક્ચરમાં બી થાય. ઓકે, જો સપોઝ ક્લાસરૂમમાં હું આવી રીતે દાખલા ભણાવીને જતો રહું, કોઈ સામે બોલે નહીં, તમને મજા આવે, મને મજા આવે?
No, sir.
No, sir.
પછી આ ઓનલાઈન લેક્ચર ઇઝ હાઉ મચ ઇરિટેટિંગ કે હું અહીંયા એકલો દાખલો ગણતો હોઉં તો બેટર આઈ શુડ રેકોર્ડ ધ વિડીયો એન્ડ અપલોડ ઇટ લેટર. કરું એવું?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
ટેલ મી વન રીઝન કે હું તમને પ્રી રેકોર્ડ સેશન ના. એક મિનિટ. હા, ટેલ મી વન રીઝન. આ બહુ આમ એ તમને એ પડે છે કે આમાંથી આ વસ્તુ શોધવી, આ વસ્તુ શોધવી, આવું બધું તમને બહુ ભારે લાગે છે? ઓકે, only hardly 3 student is responding regularly. Okay, I will give the name also. Okay, આજના સેશનમાં 14 નંબર બોલે છે. ઓકે, રેગ્યુલરલી 27 બોલે છે. ઓકે, મોસ્ટ પ્રોબેબલી 15 નંબર અમુક બોલે છે, 17 અમુક વાર બોલે છે. રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આર enjoying like a circus.
સર એવું નહીં, બધા અમે બી બોલવાનું ટ્રાય કરીએ પણ બધું ફટાફટ બોલાઈ જાય આન્સર, તો પછી
Raise the hand so I can at least recognize that somebody is listening to me. હું મ્યુટ કરીને મૂકી દઉં લેક્ચર, એવું લાગે છે કે તમે બધા મ્યુટ કરીને ખાલી મૂકી દો છો. બીકોઝ મને એવી ડિમાન્ડ આવે છે કે તમારા જે યુટ્યુબના લેક્ચર્સ છે એ અપલોડ થઈ અને પછી તમે જોઈ બી શકો છો. એટલે જો એ જોવાના જ હોય તો આઈ વિલ ડુ દેટ ઓલ્સો. તમારા માટે પાછી આ સિસ્ટમ હું લઈ આવ્યો. મારે બોર્ડ ઉપર ભણાવું હતું, કારણ કે બોર્ડમાં મને વાઇડર પર્સપેક્ટિવ મળે છે. આમાં મારે પેજ ફાળવા પડે છે, અહીંયાથી અહીંયા જવું પડે છે. બોર્ડમાં આખું બધું જ કેચઅપ થઈ જતું, છતાં બી મને એવા ફીડબેક મળ્યા કે સર દેટ વોઝ અ ગુડ આઈડિયા કે તમે આમાં કરાવો એટલે વધારે દેખાય છે, પેલું બ્લર દેખાતું હતું. આઈ અગેન સ્વિચ બેક ટુ ઓવર હિયર. ઓકે, ચલો ટેક અ રેસ્ટ ઓફ 5 મિનિટ. આઈ વિલ બી જોઈનિંગ યુ સૂન. ઓકે, એમાં તમારું માઇન્ડ ક્લિયર કરી દો આગળ કેવી રીતે વધવું છે. અધરવાઇઝ આઈ વિલ પ્રોવાઈડ અ વિડીયો લિંક્સ from the next lecture and it will be a good idea for the example pointer. Okay, leave the meeting. Everybody join after some time.